Dakota News Now begins with a breaking news alert.
And good evening once again, everyone. I'm Brian Allen.
I'm Andrea Anderson. An historic day playing out in a New York City courtroom today. Former President Donald Trump has been found guilty on all 34 counts of falsifying business records. This right now is a live look outside of that courtroom.
A 12-person jury handing down that decision within the last hour. Digital producer Mo Hurley standing by at the First Alert Now desk with our continuing coverage here at 5 o'clock. Mo.
Hi, Brian and Andrea. Donald Trump, now the first former president in U.S. history to be convicted of a crime. The jury's verdict came in its second day of deliberations. Now, earlier in the day, they finished a readback of testimony from former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen and former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker. Last year, Trump pleaded not guilty to the felony charges brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. The case tied to that $130,000 payment his former attorney Michael Cohen made to Stormy Daniels just before the 2016 presidential election. This was in exchange for his silence about an alleged sexual encounter with Trump. Prosecutors saying when Trump reimbursed Cohen, he purposely disguised it as a legal expense to hide the damaging information from voters.
This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people.
Trump's sentencing will take place on July 11th. That's just 4 days before the start of the Republican National Convention. Meanwhile, South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem has reacted to today's verdict. Noem saying on social media, in part, the judge violated Trump's constitutional rights and did everything in his power to get this outcome, despite the clear evidence Trump was innocent. Live at the First Alert Now desk, Mo Hurley, Dakota News Now.
Thank you, Mo.